Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be seeing the differences between the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. The four things are very different, but each one has something in common. Mean. To get a mean, we have to add all the numbers and divide by the amount of numbers. For example, 9, 3, 1, 8, 3, and 6. I just want to let you know that it's easiest to do first to do and make numbers from least to greatest and then start. For example, if we were doing this to be from least to greatest, it will be 1, 3, 3. See is to count them down when we finish them. 6, 8, and 9. So now for this, all of them we add. So it's 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9, which will give us a total of 30. So we divide 30 divided by 6. Why? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, 6 numbers in our list. So that will give a total of 5, so the mean is 5. Next, we go to the median. First, we have to set the numbers from least to greatest, which the example already gave us. And then we have the two median numbers. So we have 2 right here and 2 right here. So now we have 3 and 6. The median is 4.5 because the 4.5 is the average of these two. But how can we get the average? So first we have 2. We should add 6 plus 3, which will give you a total of 9. So now we divide 9 divided by 2 with something like we did right here. And then it will give us 4 and 5 tenths. But now, if they gave us a set of numbers, for example, if they give us right here, the median should be this, and it's the only number, but in this case, it's 4.5. Now the mode, the most common number. So once again, we do this from least to greatest. So we cross 1, we cross the 3, and we cross the 3 again. And then we cross the 6, the 8, and the 9. Sorry about my numbers. So now, the 1 has a frequency of 1. The 3 has a frequency of 2. The 6 has a frequency of 1. The 8 has a frequency of 1. And the 9 has a frequency of 1. So, the most common number is 3. The last one is the range. It is the difference between the highest number and lowest number. So here we arrange them from least to greatest. So it's 1, 3, 3, Sorry about the background noise. 6, 8, and 9. So now we subtract the greatest from the least. So we subtract 9 minus 1, so it will be a total of 8, which is what we did right here. So that's how we get the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Now, the median is the average. It's really important. It's really important that it's the average, the most important right here. It's easy to calculate, so first we have to add up all the numbers and then divide by how many numbers they are. Just like we do here, we sum the numbers and how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, we divide it by 4, which is equal to 48 divided by 4, which is equal to 12, and this is the mean. Now we got, which is the middle, which is defined as median. But for these, we have to arrange them from least to greatest. In value in order, we have to place them. So we do, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the median. Now this is a mode. This is the number that appears most frequently in that cell. So we have to find the mode. So first, we have to arrange numbers from least to greatest. Least to greatest. And then we have to find a term that occurs more often. It can have no mode, or one mode, or more than one mode. So here in the most frequency numbers, it's 31 and 33. So we have here 2 modes. And last one, but not important, it's the range. So we have to arrange them from least to greatest. So we have to find the two extremes. So it has to be the greatest minus the least, which right here it's 43 minus 22. Sorry, by negative 22, but it's going to be 65. And this is the range. Thank you for watching and enjoy your beautiful day. See you in another video.
¿Se dio la llave del carro?